Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how to change out the engine air filter and the cabin air filter on your Kia Forte, and really just any compact car that you're looking at. It's going to be pretty much the same simple steps. I'm going to do it here on the Kia Forte. Let's start with the engine air filter, and then I'll show you guys the cabin air filter. When you see inside a lot of these compact car engines, you'll see the air box, which is going to be here, kind of usually has the tube that goes to it with your air box cover. A lot of them nowadays have these little tabs that you just pop. There's usually 2 or 4, depending on where you're at. These slide underneath, so since the clips are on this side, we'll pull up on it, then we can pull our air filter out right there and just replace it. It's pretty dirty. It's about 1.5 years old, not too bad. Not too much debris in here, but I'd vacuum this out. Then we can throw this one away and put the new one in. And we have our new air filter here. We can do this here, pop it right in. This rubber at the top, you can see here, is going to go up, this side facing up. Should sit right in. All this matches right here. We're going to slide these tabs back in, right here, back into those slots, and then we can put the clips back on. Simple as that. So that was pretty straightforward. You can see I kind of did that single-handed, and put the hood back down here. We'll go ahead and show you guys in the cabin air filter how easy that one is as well. These are something that you should do every 6 months, every year, kind of depending on where you live at, what the weather's like. And you know, in my opinion, you don't really have to go for those expensive K&N oiled air filters out here in the desert where we have a lot of dirt and debris. Those things get gummed up really quick. So one of the things I like to do is use these basic ones, these FRAM ones. They're great, let your vehicle breathe very good. And they're also not gonna break the bank trying to get them and replace them often, because you should replace them often. So for the one inside the cabin, we're usually gonna have to remove the glove box. This is pretty easy because they give you these little turn tabs. They pull out, both sides, they twist. You see it's gonna fall right here. Once you have those 2 tabs out, you'll see it kind of drop, and then this arm right here holds it. You can pop that off, lower this down. Then you have access to this panel right here, which again has these little pinch, these 2 little pinch on the side. This comes off. This is how these work. That slides right out. You see all that. Pretty dirty. So these are something that will actually help with the smell and obviously the filtration inside your vehicle. A lot of people don't know to switch these out as well. This makes a huge difference day-to-day driving in your car. And this is pretty gross just looking at it. You guys can see this is just inside the cab, all this stuff, dust and debris. This will change your life. And in case you're wondering, most of these cabin air filters will have some type of arrow to show you which way to be facing upwards. So it could be forward or back, but make sure that this is facing up. We put this right back into the slot. Then we can put the cover back on. And we're done. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, I did most of that single-handed just while I'm filming this video for you. I want to show you how quick and easy it is. These filters are usually $5, no more than $10 a piece sometimes, and we don't change them out enough. Helps your car run better, helps your car smell better while you're driving in it. Just regular maintenance that you should do, that you could do yourself. Sometimes at the car dealership, they'll actually try to offer you, like, you know, an extra $20 or $40. Maybe they'll say, we'll switch out these filters for you. They're not that expensive and you can do it yourself. So save yourself the money. Take a little pride in doing, you know, taking care of your car, whatever it is, but real easy maintenance that you could do yourself. So I wanted just to make a quick video to show you how to do it step by step. And yeah, you could do it with one hand if you want to. So once again, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to show you. I do a lot of different videos around the house, DIY projects. I'm building a full casita right now, full electrical, plumbing, drywall, everything you can think of. So if you're interested in any of that, subscribe to the channel. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next build.